Hi everyone, this is going to be a short video series on JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. I'm going to use Firefox Developer Edition for this. So to download it, just go to Google, Firefox Developer Edition, and click on the first link there. I already have it installed, but you'll want to download it here and install it for your operating system. And after you have it installed, right-click on the page and inspect element. If you're on Linux or Windows, you can also press F12 to open this console up. Once it's open, you may want to hit Ctrl++ or Command++ a few times to increase the font size. You can collapse the sidebar with this button right here. And then you want to modify some of these settings. So click the three dots and click Settings. We'll leave most of these turned off for now, but let's enable Scratchpad, DOM, on the bottom left. Take screenshot, toggle rulers, measure portion of the page. In the middle column, let's do enable timestamps. On the right side, let's change the tab size to 4 to make it more readable. Disable HTTP cache when toolbox is open, check that. Then look at these two greater than signs and click that. Click on Scratchpad, and let's move the Scratchpad over next to console. Scratchpad lets you write code, JavaScript here, like console.log, hello world, in Esperanto. Click run, and now we can go to the console and see that it printed out our text. It runs our code over in the console. Now go back to Scratchpad and press escape, and you'll see the console open right below the Scratchpad. So here's the output, and here's our program. So we could change it here and say var x equals 10 console.log x, and then over here on the run button, let's click that, and you can see that it printed out the value of x. So we have our file, we can save code here, we can run it down here in the bottom. It's a nice development environment for learning. The other things I like to do with Firefox when I set it up, let's close this and go to the address bar here. Control L will bring you up there. Type about:config. You can ignore the warning. Type trim. And the first one here is called browser.urlbar.trimurls. Let's double click that and make it false. And what that does is that shows the full URLs. Otherwise it's going to give you a fake URL. The other thing I like to do is type in animation. The last one here is toolkit cosmetic animations.enabled. Double click that to turn off these annoying flashes. Alright, then go into the settings. Those are on the top right in the hamburger menu. Preferences. I think most of these we can leave. On the home page, I'm going to turn these off. You can leave them on if you want. I like a cleaner look. I'm going to take a blank page, blank page, and blank page. If I'm going too fast, feel free to slow the video down. If I speak too slowly, feel free to speed the video up. On the search tab, let's change it to add search bar and toolbar. And what that does is that makes two boxes here. So this one on the left is the address bar, the one on the right is for search. Control L will take you up to the address bar, Control K will put you in the search bar there. I like to turn this off, so no search suggestions in the address bar. And I really just want Google DuckDuckGo for now. Maybe I'll add Stack Overflow later. Under privacy and security, I think it's pretty good. You can leave it how you want. I'm going to turn that off. So that's pretty much it. I'll see you in the next video.